Hey, what's happening YouTube? Here I am with another of my videos, and today I have something really special and radical that's happening in the channel. I'm on my way to pick up a car that I just picked up, and in this car it's something that's gonna fill up a big hole in my life. But you know, I hope you guys understand, and let's just go get this. So I used to have an FRS, but like I would say 2 years ago, year and a half, somewhere there. So same thing, it was a car that I purchased from the auction and why not, and the car was salvage. So this car will be salvage too. So for the guys that, for those that know what salvage mean, salvage is when, you know, they total the car, so somebody is salvaging the car, right, from going to the junkyard. Some people just like purchase these cars and they part out the cars and they make money out of it that way. I don't make money out of this way. I buy my cars this way, like I buy them for cheap, you know. So but this car is gonna have some front end damage. It's gonna need some love. And this car, like I say, it's gonna be replacing my A86. You know, sorry guys, the car is gone. Our wheels crashed up. Bum bum bum. All right, so let's check the damage. Radiator. Oh yeah, just the radiator. Some of this metal stuff, I see some damage there. This hood, definitely we have to lock it somehow. Broken pieces. This fender's no bad. I love this color. Nice. It has aftermarket wheels. Woo! Look at this. Sparkle wheels. Let's see if the key is in here. Don't want to damage it. Bring it to there. Huh? You guys see that? It's barely there. I'm gonna have to push it back. No big deal. Let's get this one down. So what can we get from here? Opens, no big deal. Haha. Got a bag of stuff. They always do that shit. See, brake buns are done. Anyways, the memory card. Those are always done. And I got plates. I got plates. Okay, I think this stuff is just for work, nothing related with the car. Some extra stuff here. We might have a little something here. I swear I never seen a penny like this ever in my life. I collect coins, if you guys don't know. I think I got a good one there. Most of those are vintage from the 70s. So keys in there, all is in there. Oh, I see. It has some music. You guys see that? Oh, it's super. Ooh, very nice. It sucks though that he took the freaking red bands. So perfect, boy. So perfect. Got that shit. Holy moly macaroni. Jeez. What a mistake, bro. Put him in the wrong place. God damn it. Okay, no big deal. Let's do this. Pop the trunk. Shit. shout out to the homie over there with the forklift. He helped me to lift it up and move the straps. But let's go check it out. Nice thing, we have some Sparkle wheels with some good tires. These are Kumo tires. Car looks really clean on this side. Love the wheels. I'm no big fan of like crazy like white wheels. See a little bit of frame damage here. Not a big deal. If you guys see it, this whole piece can be replaced all the way from right there, so no big deal. I need to do something about this hood. The hood is not good. Let's go back in here just to check it out. I would like to go in the trunk, but I'm pretty sure the battery on this thing might be dead. So yep. All right guys, so we are all strapped out. Another. We go there, good there. This has my belt, some tape. Those are locked. Make sure it keeps in there. All this well strapped. All good here. And let's go, guys.
Unos cuantos afuera, unos cuantos some unique characteristics that weren't found on other Porsches during that time. The wheels have side sills and the rear vents. The body is made of aluminum and stretching across the back like Kim Kardashian in them juicy pants. But instead of juicy, it says Porsche. Above the taillights is the wheels. Unlike the whale tail wings found on the best freaking band to blow straight air in the back of the cab. Look, I'm really good. This is what I do. It's a great picture. You try to get into it. Oh, look at it. Let's go do this. This was actually the first production car Porsche made that had